Yeah, we're so excited to be here today. University of Buffalo has been a long-term collaborating partner of ours, and today we're celebrating the freshman class project, and they've been working really hard. Their tenacity has been incredible. They've created these pods that you can actually stay in and live in, and the park is all about being able to interact with sculpture, and these you can climb in, on, and around.
There's 14 projects done by 100 freshman students, and each project, you can see, consecutively works its way up the hill. Students were asked to design a project that they could live in for a period of 24 hours. So what you're seeing here is each one of these sorts of forms is another team's efforts to kind of deliver the program, which was fairly simple. They had to deal with an entry condition, an internal circulation, a place to stand up, and a minimum of 3 sleeping areas for their team. You see there's a lot of diversity between the projects. So then the second component of the project was that they had neighbors on either side. So the project formed one long living wall. So what you're seeing is 17 and 18-year-olds take a stab at building their own city that they would occupy over the next day. And we're pretty pleased at the results. It's been a lot of fun. It's been really exciting. And it's been probably the best group of students that I've ever worked with over the last 5 years.
They started at the beginning individually. Everyone had to come up with a proposal. And another criteria actually was to think about your neighboring structures, because we knew that we wanted all of these structures to share boundaries with one another, a party wall condition between each of the units and the 2 neighboring ones.
My name is Wei, and the project name is Z. It's named by the shape of this model. Basic concept is about the balance and the spatial extension. And if you see this part, I split the center part apart, so it makes a circulation for people to climb up to the 2nd floor.
It was important to recognize these as planes, and these surfaces needed to be made interesting. So I took the negative space of the Z, of the alternating triangles on both sides, and made a pan art out of that, and then took out triangles and stuff to make it more random and flow. They go from bottom to top and decrease at the top to dim the light a little bit. It creates a nice atmosphere, and then you could grab onto these from the inside, and not only are they windows for light and air, but they're also holes to put your feet and hands through.
We had a blast doing this project, just being able to work in a full scale and build in full scale as freshman students. It's just unbelievable. We came from this to this. So it's a big leap, and it was really exciting. This whole project, this module right here, is cantilevered on these 2 parts right here. So the entire building is just structured on these 2 hinges here, which to have a 450-pound roof sitting on 2 points is pretty amazing. Project was a great experience. I mean, we're going to be working with people all our lives throughout our architectural career, so up to this point we've been doing individual work, and it was great starting to move into group work and bigger projects and what we're going to be doing for the rest of our lives.
And these kids should be really proud of themselves because they're only freshmen and they've taken on this monumental project, and we're going to have them up till October 31st, and we're really excited to have them here for our visitors.